I would like to ask for those who are single parents, because it's chronic in our community. It's a high dysfunction, all right? Those of us that are first generation Windrush, we were immigrants in this country and we stuck together. I remember going to auntie and uncle's house in Wembley on Sunday, then Laverick Grove. This is as little kids, right? We'll have Sunday dinner, we'll rotate. Can you remember that? Do you have that nostalgia? Let me tell you something. When I speak to our young people, our millennials, and I tell them the stories of my childhood, they look at me like this. They're like, wow, that sounds amazing. Wow, you know? All the children used to congregate in one of the children's room, would play Lego, would play video games. All the parents downstairs playing soccer, playing dominoes. Remember them days? That's nostalgia. For our millennials, that is a foreign concept. Okay? Because we are in a community that advocates singularity. They will support us when we are single. You get paid when you're single, right? Family units, not encouraged. That's just one of the many reasons why there's a high dysfunctionality in our community. But I start with the question, why do we leave? Because I have a room full of mothers here every Saturday at the Manhood Academy, struggling with their teenage sons, broken voice, want to challenge their mum. Well, I'm the man now. What can you do? Yeah? Where's Dad? That's not around. And I've always wondered, why do we leave? Yes. 1, 2, yeah?
From personal experience, some men don't know. I said
forced. Forced by the system to leave. In what sense?
Not to leave. Forced to part by the system.
Forced to part by the system. I mean, what? Give me some examples of
benefit system, social services.
Benefits, social services.
Oh, yeah.
Benefits is the new dad in this society, right? We know this. Okay, thank you. We'll take 2 more. Yep.
I left, so I'm owning it. I left because of pain.
Pain.
Yeah. Pain from the fact that I wanted to be with my son and his mum, but she didn't want to be with me. So when I would go to the house and I'd see her with her new man there, the pain, I left. Every time I left her house, I would cry. Yeah. So for me personally, I left my oldest boy and my second boy because of my pain.
Pain. You see, that's such an honest opinion.
So if you do want to hear more about what we're doing and everything, please sign up downstairs, and then obviously we send the details out to you and you can go to workshops. So let's give Manhood Academy a round of applause.
Blessed people, we are Manhood Academy. My name is Ken Lay, this is Consu, this is brother Rio, this is brother Darren, and we are here today at Hackney Marshall for a Father's Love. It's a big event with a load of organisations, Code 7, Love is a Verb, Westside Young Music Academy, Voyager. It's the big event down here.
We've got one.
No, I said we are Manhood Academy. Sorry. I'm Manhood Academy. Oh my goodness. Yes, so for a Father's Love, and it's a brilliant day. A mixture of music, workshop, fun, games, activities, pure vibes in the place. And Konsu has just done a big workshop on behalf of Manhood Academy.
Yeah.
Masculinity.
Wow.
Go ahead, bro.
Amazing. You know, usually our lectures are kind of families and whatnot. This lecture was like a room full of alpha males, fathers. It's like, what can we say to fathers? Fathers that are already successful. Phenomenal back and forth conversation we just had in this room here. And yeah, you know, it's just like, it's family. Father's Day is tomorrow, and it's all in that spirit. So we just had a progressive dialogue with the fathers in our community, and what do we need to do as men, you know, and that was the tone, the setting the tone for this event, I would say.
Yeah. So we've come to a very important part of today. Now, this event, for all that you've seen going on, the music, the games outside, was put on by some charitable organisations that are here to better our community. There's 6 that have come together. That's a mark of unity, something that we are lacking right now in our community. So we need to give it up for these organisations that have come together. My name, for those who weren't here earlier, pardon my English, I'm Hugh. I'm part of the Father to Father movement, and the organisations that have come together today. Firstly, we've got, I'm not doing this in any order of preference or of importance, it's all about Father's love.
So it's really important, as I mentioned before when I spoke about the media, the reason why we want to work with the media in terms of how young black men are portrayed and begin to, challenge some of those stereotypes. The majority of young black men, this is where I finished, the majority of young black men are powerful, are empowering, they show up, they turn up, they are role models. So just for every grandfather, father, uncle, cousin, volunteer, if you are, actually every black man, could you stand up? Yeah. Stand up. Every black man stand up. I just want to say thank you, I see you, I validate you, I salute you. Thank you.
One of the things I always say before I start something is that you should wait until after you hear what I say before you talk. I'm so proud to see that for the very first time we're not sitting down and letting somebody else do what we're supposed to do without all. I'm proud of all of you, everyone in your organization that's here today. I take my hat off of you. I belong to God. One of the proudest times of my life lived, and I have to mention this. At the royal wedding, I saw a 19-year-old boy performing at the royal wedding. And this, the reason why I'm saying this to you, I'm saying to you, all our young, black, gifted boys that's out there doing something else that they should be doing should take a lead from that boy. One performance has made that boy into a man. Do you understand what I'm trying to say? Right. So many of our black boys who's got so much to give, to make us all proud, we are doing things that we're not supposed to do.
By the way, my name is Sergeant and I'm a business coach. So I'm been in business about 7 years. And before that worked for over 25 years in the public sector. So I was born here, of course, raised here, grew up in this country. So one of the first things we look at is family goals. As a family, one of the things that we don't always do, and this is not just unique to our community, we set goals for the family, have a goal. And the goals should be set by the parents. But young people, it doesn't matter what age you are, you should have goals in your life, what you want in your life, however you represent them. Some people do it through pictures, some people do it through writing, lists, various ways of doing it. Bucket list, anybody heard of a bucket list? Has everybody got one? Have you got a bucket list? Don't sound too sure. So everybody should have a bucket list, things that you really would love to do or achieve in life. Whatever those things are, experiences, places you'd like to travel to, holidays you'd like to go on, people you'd like to meet, things you'd like to do, whatever that may be, right? So, and they could be some of the simplest things to something very amazing. They could be amazing, like an institution you want to set up, or a business you want to lead, or something like that. But it can be very simple things as well, like play cricket at Lord's. Right? Which I did last week. But just as an example of things that you wanted to do in life that you never had a chance to do. Also, do you have life goals? What do you want to achieve in terms of career, business, or whatever it may be? And it doesn't matter where you start. One of the things that our parents' generation taught us is the dignity of work and the dignity of having something to get up for every day, or every weekday at least. most of our parents were every day, but let's say every weekday, having a reason to get up in the morning. One of the reasons why some people in our community are misdirected. So you could be cleaning toilets, then you could become the owner of a cleaning company. Or you could be the supervisor of the cleaners. You could become the manager of the cleaners. You can keep working your way up. Whether you're flipping burgers or whatever, you can become a director of McDonald's. So it doesn't matter where you start, it's where you finish. Yeah, you're doing the petrol at a petrol station, you can maybe run a couple of petrol stations. There's no reason why you can't. But you need to start with some goals. One of the reasons we don't achieve so many goals in our community is because we set them too low. I do business coaching, and when I meet business owners and ask them how much money they want to earn, especially in our community, the figure is very, very low. And there's nothing wrong. I'm not criticizing anybody for having low figure that you want to earn. If you say you're happy with 30,000 a year, it's not for me to say whether you should or not. But I'm saying the aspiration, if you live in London and you want to earn 30,000 a year, you clearly don't want to buy a house. And then when you say, do you want to own a property? Yes, I want to own a property. Well, you're not going to own one on 30,000 a year. So you have to think about not how much you want to earn, what you want to do with the money. Some people say money is not everything. Most of the people who say that broke. Right? But the thing is with money, we shouldn't worship it. We should respect it. Now, Zig Ziglar said, money is not everything, but it's up there with air. Should I say that again? Money is not everything, but it's up there with air.